Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add image in Reddit comment. So for that what I can do, just click on the image tab first. Then here you need to click on join the conversation, and right here you will see the button to add image. So if I click there, you will see I'm able to view my gallery, and from here I can just choose the image which I want to add in the comment section. So this is the image right here. So I'll just click on the image and click on add and just click on next here, and yeah, here you can see the image is added. Now if I want to add any text just below the comment, I can type that, like I want to type here map. Okay, and then I can just click on post. Now if I just scroll it here, you will see this is the comment which we have added. Now the main thing, some people don't see the option to add picture in the comment, and the solution for that problem is that, let me show you. So let's suppose this is the post where I want to comment, and if I click on comment here, click on join the conversation, here you will see there is no option to add picture. So it means that this post or this subreddit have set the rule as people will not able to comment picture, and that's why you are not getting this option, but in some other posts you can comment. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.